What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT, and once again, I doubled my account. As y'all know, I'm doing my small account challenge. I started off with $533 on the 16th of April, and in 5 days, my account has grown to $16,000 and some change. As y'all know, I made a withdrawal yesterday of $2,000. So once they take that money out, I will start showing y'all my spreadsheet, so we won't lose track. Or I can just show y'all my summary on the website. But yeah, awesome, man. I made $8,107 today. So I doubled my account once again, and tomorrow it should say $16,400. But I don't know how much fees gonna get taken out, so it may be a little less than that. But 5 days, man, $533 into $16,000 in 5 freaking days, man. That's awesome, man. And before I start, man, I knew it was coming. I knew the haters would come. So I'm gonna have to shut them up. A guy named Sean, shout out to Sean. He's the first hater. But it's all good, because I'm gonna show him my summary from my broker. So we can kill all that. And Sean, hit me up if you want to, man. You can turn this negative into a positive. If you need help, I got you, bro. But first of all, demo account on Dash Trader, the equity always resets on whatever equity you want. So if you want 10,000, every day it's gonna go back to 10,000. And y'all been seeing my equity go up and up and up with my profits. What else? I'm showing y'all my account number right here, F1, because I'm with F1trade. It's F1. I'm not gonna show y'all the rest. It's also in my trade log where I made my trades at, so y'all can see the account. It's the same thing. Then on top of that, let's go here. Profit and loss summary from F1trade from the website. Let me move this out of the way so y'all can see. Scroll down. As y'all can see, $7,779.88 plus the $533 that I started off with equals up to the equity right here. I can click details so y'all can see that it's real. And y'all can see my buys and my sales from every trade I made since day one of the challenge. You can go back and you see it for yourself. But there you go, total. And what else do I need to show? Oh yeah, the equity change, to show y'all what I started off with. Go to the first video, you will see I started off with $533.88, and I've been growing this thing all the way up to now, $8,313.75 every day. Every video is gonna show each day that I grew this thing. So we can end the hate right there. We can end all this demo trading shit. I'm a real trader. I didn't have to do this. I don't have no service or nothing like that. I mean, I got a couple people, you know, that ride with me and want to know my strategy. So I talked to those guys, and a bunch of them wanted me to do a small account challenge, which I didn't have to do, but I'm doing it now. And I'm just trying to show y'all the possibility of growing y'all a small account very fast. So there you go. Here go the date, 4/16/2020. That's the first day I traded on the first day of the challenge. And today is April 22nd. There you go. Now, let's get back to the trades. Okay, ATIF was the breadwinner on my short. So let's start from the front. 9:30, I went long 2,000 shares ATIF. This stock had an all-time high at $5 and something. Let me see. Can I go back far enough? No, I can't. But I don't know why I can't go back. I don't have my Thinkorswim open. I don't use this chart right here for my charting. I use Thinkorswim, but y'all like me to use this chart so y'all can see my my entries and exits. But anyways, it was $5 and something. So when I seen that, I was like, man, this stock can just take off. So I went long on the dip, man, thinking it would just, dip down and, continue going up because it's so close to the all-time highs. And once it passed the all-time highs, no telling how far this stock can go. So that's what I was thinking. I got in there 347, 2,000 shares. If it went against me, I just take a small loss. And plus, this stock does not hold its gain, so I had that in mind also. So that's why I went with 2,000 shares. It was like a starter. I could have added more, but I wanted to see what the stock was going to do. I was going to do 2,000 shares here, and then if it was grinding up and cross these highs right here, I was going to add into it. That was my plan, but it didn't happen. So I'm protecting myself both ways. So if I end up losing and the stock end up crashing more, I just got 2,000 shares. It's not going to hurt. If it goes my way, I can just add. I got in at 347. It spiked up. It went, and I was like, hell no. Let me get out. So I just got out, man, at 353 and made a small gain of $100. So that was my first trade. I'm green. So once I seen it crack my lines, y'all can't see it. It's on my Thinkorswim chart. Once it cracked my lines, I was like, I'm gonna short the pops. So that's what I did. So hold on, I was trading 2 stocks at one time. So my next trade was NTGN. I'm gonna come back to ATIF. I think I was trading 2 stocks at one time. Okay, I went 5,000 shares. Once I seen the thing, it wasn't doing crap. Like it was just selling off. I went short 5,000 shares at $3 and ended up covering it at $2.90 and made $500. As y'all can see there. I was done with that trade right there, so I was up $600, quit 600. So next trade came back to ATIF. Mind you, it has SSR, so short sale restriction. I had to short it on the uptick, so it was kind of hard to get in. But I got in. I had to get in. As y'all see, this thing just fell apart. So like I said, when it came down under my lines, I was playing a pop. So when it popped up, I got in 5,000 shares at 330. Right here. Perfect entry. I nailed the top. Shorted more at 315 once I seen it going down. So I had 10,000 shares total. And I ended up covering down here at 280. That was a nice trade right there. Nice trade. And I made, I think I made like $3,000 or something like that on that trade. It came back up. I shorted it again at 306. It spiked up some more, but I wasn't worried. It spiked up. I didn't want to add because I didn't know if it was going to keep going or not. I'm well in the money, so there's no need to add. I just have a set risk. If it goes against me, I get out. And if it goes my way, I just take a profit. So I got back in at 305 with 5,000 shares once again and covered at 279 right here at the bottom again. So nice trade there. And that was a total of $5,550 I made on ATIF. So that was the breadwinner. Next trade, DKL. I seen DKL spike up huge, and on this nice pullback right here, I went long. It bounced right off my lines right here. So I went long, and it shot straight up. And I sold. Did 2,000 shares at $13.30. I did 2,000 shares at $12.34, and I sold at $12.75. So that was a nice trade. And then I bought it again at $12.77 when it was making higher lows. It spiked up. I thought this was gonna break out, man. I thought this breakout right here was this breakout. So I added at the freaking top because I thought it was just gonna shoot through and just keep going up, and then I'll start selling. So I bought at $12.77, and then I bought at 1348, and then it flushed very fast. I was like, what? Come on, man. I was down like $1,300. It came down. It just wasn't showing signs of breaking down. So I held it. You know, I didn't get shook out. This flash downward move right here happened so fast that I couldn't even react to that. So once it came back up, it was acting kind of weird right here. I was like, this stock looks like it's going to go down, but I think it's setting up shorts. I think this move is setting up shorts. So that's what I thought, and I was like, if it's not, I'll just get out at 12.50 and take the loss, because it had good support right here. If not, I'll just hold it. So that's what I did. It came down to 12.65, and it started curling up, and I was like, okay, this is what I was thinking. It was gonna trap shorts and continue going higher. And then once it did that, I just sold, made my profit of $1,360 when I sold right here. And this thing just shot up some more. So I could have made, like $4 grand on this trade or more on this trade when it spiked up. But it was okay with me, because I was up like $6,000, $7,000. So after this move, I call this an exhaustion spike right here. This spike right here weeded out a lot of shorts. And once the exhaustion spike comes, the bad side starts to come. And this is what happened. So I was like, next time this thing pops up, I'm gonna short it and risk the highs right here. So I was starting in, I got short right here. At 12.40, then I got short again at 13.67, and then I shorted once again at 13.85, just building my position for it to pull back and not cover into that. So that's what I was doing. I pulled back, I covered 6,000 shares at 13.54, and made $597 on that trade, and that was it. Great day, man. Woo! This is insane, man. I'm growing this account super fast. Like I said, every $5,000 I make, I'm gonna pull $2,000 out. Now it looks like I'm gonna pull $4,000 out because I made over $5,000 once again, and I almost made another $5,000. If I made $10,000 today, I would have withdrew $4,000. So when I make another $2,000, I'm gonna just withdraw $4,000 out of my account, and we're just gonna keep it moving right there. Like I said, I'm gonna have my spreadsheets, so keeping up with the P&L, or I can just show y'all on the website, the F1trade website, and I will upload my trades on Profitly. That's what I'll do, so y'all can see the chart on the growth of the account. And y'all, that's it, man. Day 5 of the small account challenge is in the books. Starting out with $533. Now my account is at $16,000. If y'all have any questions, hit me up. I've been getting questions about a chat room. Yeah, I might do a chat room, a free chat room, so we can just kick shit, talk shit, or whatever. And if it get too crazy, I may have to have a little fee, but I'm gonna start off free. But if it gets too crazy, my time is important. I know I'm gonna have a lot of questions I'm gonna have to ask, and it's gonna turn into a job, so y'all have to respect that. But if it's not out of hand, then the chat room free. So that answers that question for everybody that hit me up on Twitter. And that's it. Or day 5. I'm looking forward to day 6, and I'm gonna keep growing this thing, and I'm gonna keep withdrawing and having that money in my account. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and and drop a comment if you want, and we'll go from there. Shout out to everybody that supports me. Shout out to everybody who's been fucking with me from day one. Shout out to everybody. I hope y'all kill it today. And I'm out. Let's get it.